Hey everyone, my name is Tyler Suard. I work for a Fortune 500 company that is over 100 years old, and I am working on updating it and getting it into the 21st century using artificial intelligence. One thing that we're doing is called retrieval augmented generation, where you take the company's information and you give it to AI. So if I asked a question, what is product XYZ? Then the AI would search all of our databases and all of our PDFs to find that product, find that information, and give me the answer to my question. This sounds great, but in practice, it's really hard to do. I read a statistic that around 80% of businesses can't figure this out. I spent a year and a half working my butt off, trying 5 things for every one thing that succeeded, and I figured out how to do it. Everybody at our company loves our RAG system. It has 90% 5-star reviews. I want to teach you how to do this at your business so you don't go through all of the frustrating things that I went through. I have a book out now. It's called Enterprise RAG, Scaling Retrieval Augmented Generation. Please check it out.